What's up, YouTube? Let's get POV drive. I'm on 535i. Currently, I'm stage 2 plus on my 93 octane map. So I got burbles and stuff. It's been a while, but paint match mirror caps, icons are coming in. I think next week. Paint match front lit. Drilled and slotted rotors, if you can see. I'm gonna get these painted sometime in the spring. I have an actual, like, real muffler delete now. Before I had I had valves, which was kind of garbage, but yeah. And then as well, I have quad tips, the little M, like a real carbon. And then also, I went M Sport. You see it, paint match reflectors, paint match. Yeah, this car looks so good in the back now. Tips stick out a little. I did order 3.5 for the actual tips, and then this carbon stuff is 4 inches. So I miscalculated that, but I like the bigger tips. It's aggressive. For on the last video, I snapped the clock springs. All my power got cut off. I have no paddles right now, but I got power to the wheel. Got no heated steering wheel, and I can't move this steering wheel up or down. So it's a little tragic. First, let me give you guys a little cold start. The muffler delete sounds way different now. Completely different from the valves. Without further ado, let's get this POV started. All right, guys, let's get a move on. Let me actually roll down my windows so you guys could get a little, like, underground parking garage type of deal. That fan is so loud. Sounds like an N55 now. It actually sounds like an N55. Yeah. Oh my goodness, man. I'm gonna see you guys when I get on the main road. Guys, I don't know if you can see that. That's a deer right there. Should we scare it? Look at that boy. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. God, I need my paddles back. Holy shit. I gotta get like a GoPro or like Meta Ray-Bans. If you guys were wondering where we're headed, I left my college. I'm still on winter break. I tried to return some books, but I guess they were fucking closed or some shit, even though it's a weekday. It was confusing, so. But normally they're open this time. But yeah, so now I'm about to hit up Target, buy some chicken Alfredo sauce, cause your boy trying to make some Alfredo. more downshift. Turn. Better change lanes right now. The Brap is like quieter. Everything is more quieter because I don't have the dumps like directly under my rear seats. So, yeah. That's very annoying. Fuck. Definitely, I'm thinking about getting some wheels this summer. Probably some 20-inch wheels. But yeah, little bit of a little boring video. You know, can't really give you guys sound clips like that because my steering wheel thingy, I gotta get that coded in. But I mean, hey, the car drives. I can switch my maps. I got my steering wheel controls back. As you can see, the lights are on. But yeah, I'll show you guys a picture of what I was talking about, like how I had no like lights or anything in the steering controls. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, guys, very annoying, very, very annoying. And right now I got an oil filter housing gasket leak, and I think an oil cooler gasket leak as well. So that is also extremely annoying. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh my goodness. Man, this car sounds so good because now without like the valve dumps, I can finally hear my like turbo, my like blow off, not blow off valve, but like the, what is it called again? Like the suction noise and stuff like that. Downshift, 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 downshift. Beautiful. Downshifts are so beautiful on this car. You can see that. We are almost at target. Yup. Damn. It focused for me. We are almost at target, guys. Let me know in the comments as well, guys. Do you think I cooked with this paint match or not? Also, like and subscribe if you haven't already, guys. Oh shoot, there's a what is that, M340 or some shit? Yeah. Fucking M340. M340 with the laser lights OEM. That's beautiful. Pre-LCI. I swear, me personally, I love the pre-LCI M340s over the LCI. Boom. Alright guys, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty garbage. Not garbage, but like, I couldn't really shift and, you know, but hope you guys enjoyed the little chat and the random stuff I was talking about. But yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna start focusing a lot on YouTube videos. But yeah. Alright guys, peace out.
I don't know that I'm intelligent. All these diamonds on peppermint. I'ma pull up with a breath mint. I'ma pull up with a bread kit. I'ma pull up, then I break it. You a pussy, let your face it. We can get your kid in many ways. We can do it real.